Hi there! Welcome to Debutify. In this quick video, I'll walk you through setting up the Upsell Bundle widget. The Upsell Bundles widget allows customers to purchase a range of products bundled together with a single click. This feature simplifies the shopping experience while giving customers a convenient way to buy multiple items at once. It not only boosts average order value, but also helps you promote slow-moving items by pairing them with popular or newly launched products, improving visibility and increasing sales. All right, let's get started. Accessing the widget. To access the Upsell Bundle widget, open your customized Debutify theme. Click on Debutify Widgets, then select Upsell Bundle. To enable or disable it, go to Theme Settings, Professional Widgets. Once enabled, go back to Debutify Widgets, Upsell Bundle. Here, you can customize all the settings. You can add bundle, click to add block, and select bundle. Inside each block, you can customize block name, used internally to identify the block. It's recommended to keep the default name. Example, upsell products. Product trigger. Choose the specific product that will trigger the upsell bundle. Product offer. Select products to promote as the upsell offer. So now on this product page, this product will be shown as bundle. Discount coupon code. Enter the unique coupon code customers will use to apply the discount. Example, Debutify. Discount type. Select how the discount will be applied. Percentage. This applies a percentage-based discount to the customer's order total. Fixed amount. This applies a specific dollar or currency amount off the purchase. Discount value. Specify the exact value of the discount. Example, 20%. Make sure you created the same discount code with the same criteria. Because within the theme, we cannot create a discount. We can apply only. Great. Now, bundle settings is done. Let's add upsell bundle block, so users can see that block. Go to Templates, then select Product Information. Choose the Upsell Bundle. You can also add a section as well. Let's check their settings. Select a product. Pick the product you want associated with this Upsell Bundle. Skip if you want to show in current product. Show on. Choose where the Upsell Bundle section should appear. Desktop only. Shows only on desktop screens. Mobile only. Shows only on mobile devices. Both. Displays on both desktop and mobile devices. Container size. Select how wide the Upsell Bundle section should appear. Default. Keep standard spacing on both sides. Full. Expands the section to full width for a wider display. Style. Choose the visual appearance of your button. Link. Displays text as a clickable link without a button background. Default. Uses your theme's standard button design. Solid. Applies a filled background for a bold, attention-grabbing look. Outline. Displays a bordered button with a transparent background for a minimal design. Size. Adjust the button's overall size for proper layout balance. Inherit. Uses your theme's default button size. Small. Creates a compact button. Medium. Provides moderate size for balance. Regular. Sets a full, standard-sized button. Total price label. Customize the heading shown in your upsell bundle. Example, total price. Button label. Customize the heading shown in your upsell bundle button. Example, add selected items. Button icon. Choose an icon to display on the upsell bundle button. Example, library add check. Current product label. Customize the heading shown in your upsell bundle. Example, current product. Show star ratings. Enable show rating to display product ratings, or disable it to hide them. Enable automatic bundles. Enable automatically generate bundles and disable hide automatic bundles. Product count in automatic bundle. Select how many products to display in auto-generated bundles. Discount coupon code. Enter the unique coupon code customers will use to apply the discount. Example, Debutify. If you leave it blank, then it will be taken from widget settings. Discount type. Select how the discount will be applied. Percentage. This applies a percentage-based discount to the customer's order total. Fixed amount. This applies a specific dollar or currency amount off the purchase. Discount value. Specify the exact value of the discount. Example, 20%. Make sure you created the same discount code with the same criteria. Because within the theme, we cannot create a discount. We can apply only. Color schemes. Match the section to your store's theme with light background, primary background, secondary background, dark background. Custom. Create your own palette for full control. Top padding. Adjust space above block content. You can choose from Inherit, None, Small, Medium, Large. Custom. Allows you to manually set your preferred padding value. Custom top padding. Set exact top spacing. Example, 0 pixels to max 100 pixels. Bottom padding. Adjust the space below the block content. You can choose from Inherit, None, Small, Medium, Large. Custom. Lets you set a custom padding value manually. Custom bottom padding. Set exact bottom spacing. Example, 0 pixels to max 100 pixels. You can freely add blocks like caption, description, double button, icon, icon with text, image, single button, subtitle, title, and more. And that's it. Your Upsell Bundle widget is now fully set up. By customizing this widget, you'll increase cart value, encourage better product discovery, and keep your store engaging and dynamic. If you need any help, feel free to contact the Debutify support team. We're always happy to assist. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing with Debutify Theme.